Eleme people had joined Ogoni, we would have been 4 nationalities. We have the Jaws, we have the Igbos, we have the Bantu Ogonis. Ijaw people had been governors. The Igbos had produced 2 governors, Odili, 3 governors, Odili, Amechi, and Wike. That was my clamor, that justice should be done. But when I found out that
when the going is good and good, many people go be your friend. Banana, na 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 na, banana na na na, banana na. But when the going is going bad, many friends go disappear. That's bad, very bad. That's what I'm saying, and that's what they will do. When the going is good, you will have many friends. They will tell you they love you. They tell you they need you. But when going is going bad, they will all disappear and never come back. When they come back, they will come back to eat you down. If you know this old school song, I beg, send it to me. I need the original sound, eh? Yes, so Asri, they give me joy. Asri not my kind of person, but Ndibanya so it was my friend, Modern Town Crier, that said, your enemy knows you more than you know yourself. That's why we advise you, whenever you hear your enemy saying you're a prostitute, you're a bastard child, do not get too emotional. Sit down and relate. Think about what he's saying. He might be saying the truth. Asri, they give them woto. Wike, come and defend yourself. I know people. You don't read the time where we say the matter, where we matter, they don't tell you say Igbo. You see, I see some of these Ikwere and my Anyoma or some Ndokwa people or Eka people saying they are not Igbo. I've just been wondering. Just like a video I saw of a girl. It's Ikwere girl. Igbos are dragging us to be Igbo. They don't they force lion to be lion. If you see anybody forcing lion to behave like a lion, it's because he has lost his essence of being a lion. Nobody is forcing you to be Igbo. You're already Igbo. We are just saying, behave like an Igbo person. Take your rightful position. You say no. Now your enemy is not dragging you that you are Igbo. Go and deny it. Now go and tell Asri say you will not be. Say you couldn't not be Igbo. Go. Even as we are living peacefully in Delta State, may matter happen, may they remind you where they claim say you be Ndokwa or say you not be Igbo. If they don't go remind you say you be Igbo. This is what we are talking about. And this is my advice, mostly to that girl. If you're a lady, when they're talking about tribal issue, do not carry it for head, because you never know where love go carry you go. Because once you build this mindset that you must fight for your tribe, when love goes over your dead body, maybe the person is even a better man than even people in your tribe. You say, over my dead body, I will not marry. Because you have already, you can't swallow your pride again. You have already said so a lot of things against other people's tribe. Be very careful when you say certain things. Mostly when you are saying the wrong thing ignorantly. You are telling them, they are dragging you to Igbo. Go and tell Asri now. Go and tell Asri to his face, say you are not Igbo. Make you collect better slap from the Ijaw people.